Every week, we scour the internet to find the most amazing, creative, and jaw-dropping content developed in Unity. This is Game Dev HQ, and enjoy the best of Made with Unity. Fast-paced, low-poly arcade game by Drift Kings. Just added a growth shader by Tommaso. Shattered Sky is a fast-paced, low-poly arcade flight sim by DomTom9Dev. The link is below. Some new progress on the garden game level by Farouk. The Mega Ramp is slowly taking shape by Paul. Tori is a game about feelings by Mosswig.
Hi, I'm Ned, and I'm
How to use time in shaders by Ned Makes Games. The link is below.
It's a powerful technique, and it's easy to do with the time node, or the _time variable in HLSL. In this tutorial, I find out exactly what these time values contain, and create two animating shaders, one which loops, and one which fades in at a specified time.
Above Snakes is an isometric tile-based survival RPG in which you craft your own Old West world by Tobias.
I hope that I can stay above snakes.
Set your towers, fight the baddies, rescue, and pet the doggos in The Last Friend by the Stonebot. Babel the Walking Box. A free demo is now out on Steam. The link is below. Three versus one? That's unfair. By Sixthorns. Online co-op mode. The beta starts now by Awesome Game Studios. Link is below. A roguelite city builder set in a fantasy world where it never stops raining by Against the Storm. intense bullet hell with a circular twist by Wayfarer Games. Playing with New Car Physics by Race Me Now. Power of Slide is a top-down drifting game by Arthur Beck. A mix of Wave Race and Trackmania by Riding Seas. Paying homage to retro roots by Sea of Stars. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to be notified about upcoming videos, and use the Twitter hashtag MadeWithUnity to possibly be featured on our upcoming videos. This is GameDevHQ.com, and we're out of here. See you next week.